Do you dream of effortlessly turning your long videos into those viral shorts for TikTok, Instagram and YouTube? Want to boost your reach with auto-generated captions? Imagine a world where you can edit your videos like you were simply editing a text document with just a few clicks. Or what about making engaging talking head videos with the help of Teleprompter to guide you through your brilliant dialogues? All of these incredible AI features are available in one single platform. Let's check out this revolutionary style of video editing, magic clips and auto caption with Riverside's new AI-powered video suite. With Riverside, you harness the power of AI to generate transcription of your videos in over 100 languages. This breakthrough technology is not just easy, it's fast and incredibly accurate thanks to AI. Let's head to the website of Riverside. I'll leave the link of the website in the description box below. So first, let's see how we can edit videos like we edit text documents. It's really exciting. Let's check it out. Once your free account is created, you'll see this interface. So you can just come here and click on New Studio to create your studio. So just come here and name the studio. Select the reason to use the studio. Select on audio and video. Transcription language. Just come here and click on this. And you have more than 100 languages available to select. So I'll stick to English. And once you've set all of this up, just enter your studio. So here my studio is ready. I'll go ahead and upload a video which I would like to edit. So I'll come here and click on upload recording and I'll upload the video. So once the video is uploaded, you'll see this interface. Here you have two options to edit the video. Either you can come here and click on go to editor or click on start from scratch, which will let you edit the video from step 1. Or you can come here and click on this amazing button which says generate an entire episode in a single click. With one click, the AI will clean up the episode, it will add captions and it will be ready to share. Let's start with this and take full advantage of their AI. Come here and click on generate episode and I'll let AI do all the work. And here, it's ready. So once this is done, I'll come here and once again click on this edit button to further check the work done by AI. So as you can see, the entire transcript of the video has been generated here. If you come here on the left side, you can see the entire video has been transcribed in English, word to word. Amazing, isn't it? And below you can see the timeline. I'll just click on play to see this. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a sing. So as you can see, they have also captioned the video which has been burned in to the video. And these small gaps that you see here are the silent parts which the AI has judged on its own and conveniently removed for us. Now the exciting part, if you want to edit any part of the video, you can just come here. Let's say I want to remove this entire paragraph. So I'll click on this and you can see below, when this part has been highlighted in the timeline, I'll select this entire paragraph and I'll just come here and click on remove and bang. This part has been removed from the video. You can come here down and see that it's also been blackened in the timeline, which indicates that it's been removed from the video. It's so simple and so easy. So let's rerun this. So I'll take the playhead here and just see this.
On your legends in the field of personal development, like Tim Ferriss, Ryan Holiday, Matt Devera, Nathaniel Drew, and Dan Cook, to name a few.
Here, selecting the entire text portion, coming here and click on remove. And as you can see, this section on the timeline has been blackened, which indicates that the clip has been removed from the video. In case you wish to undo this, just come here and click on revert, which will bring the clip back. I'll remove it for the time being. Now another cool feature. Just come here and click on this search option and type for a particular word. Let's say steps. And here you can see in the transcript, the word steps has been highlighted wherever it's been used. And if you go down below in the timeline, you can see these gray markers which also indicate where the word has been used. So this is thanks to their amazing AI powered search, which helps us edit, remove, delete or add a particular word or a section by using their amazing search feature. Let's say you want to edit your video in the traditional format. That can also be done. Just come here below, click on the portion that you want to remove from the timeline and come here and click on split. And then this portion has been split from the rest of the video.
come here and click on this and click on remove, and it's gone. If you want to undo any part, just come here on the right and click on this button. So this will bring the clip back. Come here and click on this. This lets you select the aspect ratio of the video. 9:16 for vertical clips, 1:1 for square Instagram posts, and 16:9 is for long YouTube videos. Then you can come here and click on this button here, which magically removes all the silences from the video. Since we have used the one-click option, it has already been removed. Clicking on this button lets you reorder the speakers. Since this is a single speaker, this is not needed. You can come here and click on this to once again select from the various layout options available. Then once again come here and click on this button here. In this lets you select from the various styles of captions available. Come here and click on this and you can choose from the various fonts available. I'll choose luckiest guy. You can edit the size, you can choose the color, and you also have the option of coming here and clicking on this and add your own custom logo to your video. And once you're satisfied with all your updates and all your edits, just come here and click on export, and here you have the option of exporting your video up to 4K quality. You can normalize the audio levels, remove the background noise, move the watermark obviously, and come here and click on export, after which you'll get a notification that your video has been done. Once your video is ready, you can come back to your studio, come down here, and it also gives you the entire transcript file ready, which you can download. You can just come here and click on download. So it lets you download the transcript either in the SRT format or a simple TXT file. You can come here, click on this button, high quality, and which lets you download the high quality files like the raw video, the synced video, the raw audio, and the compressed audio. You can just come here and click on this learn about file types, which will help you make an informed decision about the kind of file you need. Otherwise, the 4K video is good enough. Now let's check out how you can create viral short form content from your long form video with the help of just a few clicks using their magic clips function. So once you've uploaded your video, once again come back to your studio. Then you come here on the left and you'll see this button which says magic clips. Powered by AI, instantly get clips of the best moments from your recording, which essentially means that their AI-powered video suite will automatically try and generate the most viral moments from the long-form video, which can be then distributed over TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So let's try it out. I'll just come here and click on this generate clips, and here it says finding the best moments from my long-form video. It will go ahead and generate 5 clips. Let's see the result. And just like that, 5 magic clips are ready with suitable titles. So let's just select one for the purposes of an example. So here you can see the magic clip is ready. And here you can see on the timeline, the highlighted portion indicates the part of the video which has been used to create the magic clip. You can come here and click on this button to choose the suitable size, 9:16, 1:1 or 16:9 depending on the platform you wish to share this on. You can also select the subtitles and move them up or down as per your liking. Come here and click on the captions button, and you can also change the style of the subtitles. You can also choose a suitable color. Tough yet exhilarating. This was a journey more than a fitness challenge. And once you're satisfied with the viral clip created by Magic Clips, just simply come here and click on export, and you can export up to 4K quality. If you don't like what Riverside's Magic Clip function has created for you, you have the option to manually create your own short clip by simply dragging and dropping this selection tool on the timeline to create your own viral clip. And now let's check out how one can use their amazing teleprompter feature, which is inbuilt in the studio, to create engaging talking head videos. Let's check it out. To use your teleprompter feature to create talking head videos, I once again created a test studio. I'll go to the studio. Then it will prompt me for all these settings. So I'll just select the relevant camera, the relevant microphone, which is the inbuilt microphone from my laptop. Wired microphones or wired mics are recommended for better audio quality. I'll select the speakers. Then you can come here on the left and select the relevant option of whether you're using headphones or no. And once you're done with all of these settings, just come here and click on Join Studio. So here you can see Riverside starts using the local camera from your computer, and you're visible in the Riverside studio. So I'll just come here and I'll increase the screen size since I am a solo speaker for this video. So once you increase the camera size, you'll see this interface. You'll see all of these buttons here. So to use the teleprompter feature, just come here and click on the script button. And here you'll see this space where you can paste or write down your script. So I'll just paste a sample script for the purposes of this video. So I've pasted the script here, and here you can modify or edit the script. You can highlight certain important words by just making them bold. You can even underline certain words so that you know at the time of recording the video you want to emphasize on them. You can simply select your script and you can increase or decrease the size of your text. And once all of this is done, just come here and click on Teleprompter and come here and click on Record. And it gives you this prompt where it will record in the next 5 counts. And once it starts recording, just come here and click on this play button so that the teleprompter is running and you can look into the camera. Take the help of this teleprompter to help you articulate the brilliant dialogues you've written and record. Step into the future of AI-powered content creation with Riverside. You can create your free account at Riverside by clicking on the link given in the description box below.
Thank you so much for watching. Please accept my apologies that while recording the video, I forgot to mention that some of the features that I have shown in the demo video are not part of the free plan and are part of the paid plan. I'll quickly pull up their plan card available here, which shows their free plan and the additional features available in their paid and pro plans. If you decide to upgrade to their paid plan from the free plan, you can use my exclusive coupon code Ankit, which will give you a 15% discount on your awesome paid plans. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you will certainly enjoy this video, which is going to come up here on the screen, where we have discussed an amazing AI tool using which you can create full-blown YouTube videos with a single text prompt. If you don't have time right now, save this video for later, as no video is more important than your time. I will continue to strive to make more such videos to see how we can leverage the power of AI for our greater good. Thank you and see you in the next video.